Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to tell you how to calculate crystallite and nanoparticle size using Scherrer equation. We need to analyze first these peaks, so search peaks, search it. So now on the above you can see there are 3 peaks here, accept it. So again right click here, so you can see there are 3 peaks here, right click, label, and here you need two things: position and full width half maximum, FHWM, and slide it so you can see it better. Okay, so you need these two things to calculate your particle size. Now go to tools, Scherrer Calculator. Here we have to put these two values. In the first cell we need full width at half maximum value, this value, type here 0.2362, and in the next cell this is standard machine error value, that is 0.008. Here put the peak position 26.4, and this is in angstrom value crystallite size. Similarly you can calculate through all other peak data as well. So here we get 27 nanometer. So here we got 28 nanometer. If you take the average, that is around 30 nanometer, either crystallite size if you have a bulk material, or nanoparticle size if you have nanomaterials. Thank you. Like this video and share with your friends, and subscribe to my channel.